sharpened, which is surprising. Look, the blade. Oh, I don't get it. Are the blades reversible? Because they're sharp on both sides. Anybody know what that's all about? Both sides of the blades are sharp. I don't get it. And this blade took, I don't know, but that's the blade, folks. It is junk. Let's move on over to the other side. See if we can do the same thing before we waste our slime. I already know it's a leaking because I filled it up with air before, so I'm just gonna put some pumps of slime in. If you've never used this stuff, it's really cool. See it going in? I don't know how much you're supposed to put in, folks. It works. Not very much. Works a lot. I'm going to find one of these bolts to plug it up. Okay. Alright. Let's get the valve stem back on this one. Okay. Have any air left in the compressor? Maybe. A little bit. There it is. Okay. It's going up. That's what we want to see. It's going up. I think we can add a little more of that. We don't have any. Yep. It's not worth buying new tires, folks. The lawnmower's not worth the money. And we know how much tires are, so that's what happens. They dry rot. I think we all know that. They dry rot and disappear. Just out of curiosity, let's spray it. Curious, is the inside the same? I say yes. Look at that. Yep. Yep. What is that? A wasp nest?